Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Good morning everyone. It is actually quite windy today, so it's going to be very hard for me with my audio. It is currently Friday morning, you know, my Friday video, not it's Monday. Anyway, I am on my camera. Yeah, I changed my camera, my phone, because my camera does work, but I don't want to bring the cable up to get it to work. Anyway, apart from that, it is an absolutely windy day. It's going to be gusty winds today. Yesterday it's just going to be like this, I think, all day. I think it's going to get more worse. There's a yellow warning issued. It was issued yesterday at 6 PM. Today it's probably just still in effect anyway. Yeah, it's going to be very windy, so it's going to be hard on my audio to actually, you know, keep going. The wind is not at the gust yet, I don't think, but I think it's getting there at times. Sometimes it goes up, sometimes it goes down, but I'm going to try and film. I do film in wind before and it does cut out my audio. I'm trying to be slightly louder than normal, but we'll see how that goes, and well, we'll find out. You'll find out when the video goes up if you can hear me. Now it is Friday and it is, I don't know, I think it's mostly cloudy, but slightly, there's a bit of sun, not really much of the rays coming through the clouds, but yeah, it's meant to rain later in the afternoon today. I don't know if that's probably going to happen, because I can see a lot of great clouds. It might rain later, it might rain earlier, we don't know. But that will be not in this video, because I don't think it's very long yet to understand. So we have to wait and see, and yeah. We are in May, as you must know. We can meet people inside now, up to a certain amount, and then just follow the guidelines. It's a good thing to do. Now, I don't know if any of you have jumped on the opportunity or have had the opportunity yet. Me, on the other hand, I have had the opportunity, and I have, the day after it came to effect, I did meet up with a friend inside and had a meal, and it was great, absolutely. It was actually the best experience I've ever had. I haven't had that, well, I have met my friend, but I haven't really had that time just to, you know, have a sit down meal in a restaurant with someone who I haven't seen for a couple of years. I might have told you about this already, but yeah, that's the thing. Like, I know it's not easy. I understand that loads of you are probably, you know, run down with work because yeah, that's what I'm going to say. You probably are, and I'm really sorry about that, but it's just getting hectic this time, because we're getting back to normal, and basically work doesn't stop. Like, you can book holidays, that's the thing. You don't have many holidays a year to book if you work. I don't think, I'm not too sure. You can buy more, apparently, I've been told, in some places. But the thing is, you have a certain amount, and you can take them, you can basically choose them to book them. The thing is, when you book a holiday, you have to request it. It's not the same as just like, oh, I'm going to take a holiday here. I think if you're working for a company or something, you have to request that holiday, and when you request it, the problem with that was that if someone else already requested that and they've been approved, so it's basically like first come, first served basis, which is what I mean. You have to request it and then it has to be approved. And sometimes, the thing is with me, I'm really bad at holidays at my work or any work that I've been at. The thing is, some holidays I don't know when they are going to be, because, yeah, okay, part time. Yeah, the thing is, when the thing is, time, they want you to put them all really quickly, and then the thing is, they don't want it changed, do they? Sometimes they don't like you changing it. Basically, I don't really book holidays much, because I don't know what I want. There may be, well, in the summer there is a selection, there is two, that I will find out beforehand, and I will probably before it even comes out so complicated, then I'll wait until, I had to wait until the next year to actually book that. But that's the thing, I know those dates, but that's because of an event, but that happened last year, but it might happen this year because they've moved it. They had it once, I think I tried to book them, and then I moved them to August because that's when they changed it to. But yeah, that's the thing, holidays, with me, I'm very bad, so yeah, I know it's not easy to predict the future, and it's very hard for me, it's very bad. I can't even book a holiday really easily. I can, but I'm very bad at it, so we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I'm going to try and get my walk done, and my steps up. I haven't been doing actually that good this week. Probably because of certain reasons. I may have done, actually I've done more than it says, because I think